Check out this new 2012 Subaru Outback. For your protection, this vehicle has a full factory warranty. This vehicle gets an estimated 22 miles per gallon in the city, and an estimated 29 on the highway. This Outback boasts a 2.5-liter engine, and has a CVT transmission. Additional options for this vehicle include the front and rear all-weather floor mats, auto-dimming mirror with compass, rear cargo net, rear bumper cover, splash guards, graphite gray metallic body side molding kit, all-weather package, front and rear all-weather floor mats, graphite gray metallic, auto-dimming mirror with compass, rear cargo net, off black, cloth seat trim, rear bumper cover, splash guards and the graphite gray metallic body side molding kit. Call 1-800-689-9066 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.